Hello my dears, my name is Ihsan Faiz. I'm Master in English from Namal, Master in History, B.Ed in Math from the University of Peshawar, and I've been teaching English grammar for a long time. So I have a lot of experience in this field, and I'm also the author of this book, Modern English Grammar book, which I've written in 10 years, in which is included by 700 pages. This is a complete English grammar book useful for all the students of schools, colleges, and universities. So this is my short introduction. Enjoy my teaching. Let's get started. In this class, I'll teach you indefinite articles. As you know that we have two types of articles. One is definite article and one is indefinite articles. So definite article is the, and indefinite articles are to, a, and an. First of all, it has two pronunciations. A, for example, you can say a dog, a cat. In a, for example, you can say a dog, a cat. Both of them are correct, and this is called weak or normal pronunciation, and this is strong pronunciation. Likewise, it has also two pronunciation, an, and. For example, you can say an apple, an umbrella, and you can say an apple, an umbrella. So this is weak or normal pronunciation, and this is strong pronunciation. Okay, so a, an, and these are called definite, indefinite articles. A, an. Okay, now you see the form a is used before consonant sounds. We have consonant sounds. We have 26 letters in English, from A, B, C to Z, and we have 5 out of these 26 letters. We have 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U. These are called vowels, and without of these 5, the remaining letters are called consonant letters. Okay, so when we have a word which has the first letter consonant, and when we use a or an, so if the first letter is consonant, we will use a. For example, I bought a car. Now you see, this is first letter of this word, and this is consonant, so we will use here a. That is a dog. Now you see, D is consonant here, and this is the first letter of this word, so we will use here a. Okay, so all the consonant letters, when here we find consonant letters, so we will use a here. Okay, if there is a word which has first letter vowel, as union, university, but it does not give the sound of vowel, here we also use a. We have some words which have the first letter vowel, but despite of that, it does not give the sound of vowel, so we cannot write an with them. For example, you look at this example. He is a union member. Now you see U. U is vowel here, A, E, I, O, U. U is vowel here, but despite of that, we cannot write here an. Okay, he is a union member. We cannot say he is an union member. Why? Because this U does not give the sound of vowel, even though it is vowel in shape, but it does not give the sound of vowel when we write its phonetical form. And I have written here phonetical form. You look at this phonetical form. When you write this union in phonetical form, it is written in this form. You see, look at this letter. So this is not the sound of vowel. This is the sound of consonant. That's why we cannot use here an. So we will say he is a union member, or don't laugh at a eunuch. Eunuch. Okay, so eunuch, it also does not give the sound of vowel. That's why we write here a. Now come to this point, the form an is used before vowel sounds. Before consonant sounds we use a, before vowel sounds we use an. So I have written all the 5 examples. A, E, I, O, U. Number 1, that is an academy. Now you see a, this is vowel, so we will write here an. I saw an elephant. E is the first letter and it is vowel, so we'll write here an. She gave me an ink pot. Now you see ink, I is vowel, so we will write here an. He eats an orange, so O is vowel and we write here an. So A, E, I, O, and this is U. I don't have an umbrella, so I have written here is U vowel, but we write here an. I don't have an umbrella. Now you will be a little bit confused that here is U, we have written an, but here is U, we didn't write an. Why? As I told you, in phonetical form it does not give the sound of vowel, it gives the sound of consonant. But this one in phonetical form it gives the sound of vowel. You look at this, this is the phonetical form of umbrella. So this is the sound of vowel, not the consonant. That's why we write here an. That's why we write here an, and we say that we will use an before the words which has the first letter with vowel with vowel sounds. Okay, not consonant sounds. We are discussing sounds, but we have generally most of the people don't know sounds. So for their ease, we have 5 vowel letters: A, E, I, O, U. So generally people know that a word is with vowel, with first letter with vowel, so they use an with them, and if the first letter is consonant, so they use a. Now here we have some points, in very important points. First of all, I have written these MCQs, and you will fill these blanks, and then I will write the answer, so you will check yourself that how much you know about these things. For example, my father is, what we will write here, an or a. My father is MA. She got A for biology, so AN. Which one? FM radio is useful. He is honest person. I read historical novel, and here horse and hotel. Now you see, my father is MA. My father is MA. We will write here my father is an MA. Now you see, an MA, this is consonant, but we will write here an. My father is an MA. Why? Because if we write M in phonetical form, so it gives like it is written like this, M, and it gives the sound of vowel. So we will write here my father is an MA. She got an A for biology. We will write here an. For biology and biology, both of them are correct. So you can say that she got an A for biology, she got an A in biology. But if you look at this A, so the sound of A and A, this is also vowel sound. And here, if M radio is useful, we will also write here an. If M radio is useful, because if you look at this, if is consonant, but if we write it in phonetical form, so if is right like this, F. So F, this is the sound of vowel. That's why we write here an. And he is honest person, so he is an honest person. Why? Because it is consonant basically, but it does not give sound here. It is silent here. So we start the phonetical form of honest is written here like this. This is not D, In phonetical form, D is not written in this form. D is right like this. This is basically the sound of O, honest, as we say honest. He is an honest person, so we will write here N. Now you see there is a little bit confusion. For example, I read a historical novel. Now here is also H, but we will write here A. I read a historical novel. Why? Because here H gives its original sound, and H is consonant, so its phonetical form is also like historical. So in phonetical form here is H, but here is not H. So I read a historical novel, so here we will write A. And likewise a horse and a hotel, so horse H, but its phonetical form is like this, and its phonetical form is also like this. In historical, hotel and horse, in all these three words, H is consonant and it gives its original sound consonant, so that's why we write here A. But here it does not give its original sound, it is silent, and we write the phonetical form in this way, and here is not H, that's why we write here N. Okay, so it's clear. These are two important things that here instead of vowel we write A, and here instead of consonant we write N. अब उर्दू में मैं आपको बताता हूँ कि हमारे पास इंडेफिनिट आर्टिकल्स दो है, आ एन। आ इसकी वीक फॉर्म है, ए इसकी स्ट्रॉन्ग फॉर्म है। अन इसकी वीक फॉर्म है, एन इसकी स्ट्रॉन्ग फॉर्म है, और दोनों प्रोनाउंसिएशन सही है। जब भी हमारे पास एक ऐसा लफ्ज़ आ जाए जिसका पहला हर्फ कॉन्सोनेंट हो तो हम ए लगाते हैं। मसलन आई बॉट अ कार, ये देखें आप, ये पहला लफ्ज़ जो है कॉन्सोनेंट है तो हम ए लगाएंगे, ये कॉन्सोनेंट है हम ए लगाएंगे। लेकिन इसमें एक एक्सेप्शन इधर है कि अगर ये अगरचे वावल है लेकिन हम फिर भी इधर ए लगाते हैं, क्योंकि ये यू जो है असल में वावल है लेकिन वावल की आवाज़ नहीं देता, इसलिए हम इधर ए लगाते हैं। इसी तरह जब हमारे पास ऐसा लफ्ज़ आ जाए जिसका पहला लफ्ज़ वावल, जिसका पहला हर्फ वावल हो तो हम उधर एन लगाते हैं। और ये सारे एग्जांपल है, मसलन दैट इज़ एन अकेडमी, आई सॉ एन एलिफेंट, ये सारे ए ई आई ओ यू, तो हम इधर एन लगाते हैं। इसी तरह इसमें जो है ना, माई फादर इज़ एन एम ए, ये एम जो है ये कॉन्सोनेंट है, लेकिन अगर इसको फोनेटिकल फॉर्म में हम लिखते हैं तो इसका साउंड आ, ये वावल आता है, तो हम इसलिए इधर एन लगाते हैं। ठीक है, इसी तरह इधर भी शी गॉट एन ए फॉर बायोलॉजी, तो हम ए के साथ एन लगाएंगे क्योंकि इसकी साउंड जो है वो वावल की है। ए इफ़ एम रेडियो इज़ यूज़फुल, इसी तरह इफ़ जो है ये कॉन्सोनेंट है लेकिन साउंड इसके फोनेटिकल फॉर्म में आ आता है। ही इज़ एन ऑनेस्ट, इधर जो है ना ये इच साइलेंट है, इसलिए हम इधर एन लगाते हैं, लेकिन इधर इच साइलेंट नहीं है इन तीनों में, तो हम अ लगाते हैं। So this is the end of my class. For more grammatical explanation, watch my videos continuously. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. My message to the world is serve humanity. Bye bye.